Okay. I hope you can see the screen.
Yes,
Thank you so much for the confirmation. So welcome everyone for this 100 RPA developers in 30 days program. Let's get started. But before we continue anything with the training or before I get through the next slides, so let me let's set up some expectations. So this will not be a regular basic training for anyone. This is complete project based training that I am taking up here. And even if you are a developer or even if you are an experienced person who are looking for a new job, and if you are facing some hurdles while fetching that new job, this interview or this training is all for you. Okay, and let's go with the next one. So, a brief about me. My name is Vajrang, and you might have known that. Well, I am working as a UiPath architect with abundant UiPath RPA training experience. So, I can train you well. And I have more than 250 plus UiPath YouTube videos in my channel. So, if you want, you can go ahead and directly check with those videos. And the channel name is Automate with UiPath. Well, I will be sharing the links with you in the chat in a while. So I also won multiple hackathons, and CG 2020 is the latest one of them. And I'm also a speaker at multiple forums, and I spoke at World RPA Summit that's conducted in 2019 in Hyderabad. So you can get to know more about me in my LinkedIn profile as well as my YouTube channel. So just go ahead and check that. Next, straight to the point. We are not wasting any time here. Who should attend this meeting? Uh, Members who are failing in the coding interviews, because we are having many coding trainings that will happen during this training session. Members who are not able to clear first round of technical interviews. So if you are failing in the first round of technical interview or any kind of first rounds, then this is for you. Members who want to get trained for certifications. For example, you want to pursue a certification in UiPath. They are paid certifications as well as they are unpaid certifications. So even if you want to have a paid certification, this training will definitely help you to get through those certification. And members who want to fetch job, because that's the main concept. So when I started this or when I started this particular training session, I had only one thing in my mind: why there are many UiPath jobs, and why there are people who are not able to crack all the jobs, and people who are also cracking the jobs, they were not able to do or get through the initial days of the jobs, maybe due to the fake experience that they have posted. The expectations of them are very high and they are not able to work on the actual project. So I want to eliminate all these barriers, and I want to make sure that you all will fetch the next interview and crack it, and you will be able to complete those projects without any hurdles. You need not spend any money to get the support from anyone. That's the main goal of me. Okay. So what are we going to take in this particular training course? We are going to, since we will be working on the UiPath Studio latest community, we will have the latest version. UiPath Orchestrator, that's the community version. We will be working with UiPath Task Capture, UiPath PDD template. All the projects are integrated with Git. So this will be a complete project training, I would like to say, and this will also be for freshers. So even if you are fresher, if you are looking for trainings, this training is definitely for you, because anyhow you should learn all these things. Without learning all these things, you will not be able to go through the interviews. So if you are, so we will also be checking what are the issues that we will be having, and any special sessions. I will be in between conducting special sessions by the industry experts. So again, we are talking about the projects here, but not any kind of basic training sessions like how to click on an activity, how to delete an activity. We are not talking on that. So while working on the projects, yes, we will discuss if you are a fresher or if you are a basic level UiPath member, then we will definitely discuss on that. But the actual concentration will be on the projects. So in the first project, we will be working, and all the projects will be in RE framework. So you will never say again after this training that you are not aware of RE framework. You will definitely know RE framework in detail in each and every nook and corner of RE framework. So that's the basic standard. And how to handle exceptions, how to create reports, how to send reports over emails, those will be handled. So in the second project, we will just add few more things into the complexity. We will add advanced UI automations, for example, how to fetch multiple children, how to work with multiple automations, for example, how to work with different windows and different UI elements, different web applications. So all these things will be covered in this particular training sessions. So before we continue further, I would like to ask you, are there any questions? Please go ahead and ask any questions now, because we have abundant 1 hour time. We have a lot to discuss, and there are many things that we can cover in this 1 hour time. So this will be more of an interactive session, as I have said, with less talk or with less my tech talk. So questions, please. Any questions so far?
Good afternoon, Bajrang. This is Shankar Rao.
Hi, Shankar. Good afternoon.
Thank you for your, first of all, your session, this one.
Yeah.
Appreciate for your time. And I could see the week one project, there is a session, no, in the industry experts sessions, okay? So that you mean that, no, what kind of industry, like special sessions by industry experts. So what do you mean, like like in robotic automation process, few projects will be trained by, will be
So the complete training sessions will be conducted by me, and if you see, I do make some tech talks and some collaborations with either the industry experts. Like I had a we had a discussions with Sudhir. We had discussions maybe with our Hyderabad chapter lead Nikhil, or anyone whom you want to pull in. We can have them in the discussion, or the one or two sessions can be of them, so that you can get to know their opinions as well.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. So any other questions?
Okay. Maybe I'm not very sure the in the upcoming slides, but we are also, because I'm new to this .NET. Okay, so are we get trained .NET, at least the basics, which related to the UiPath training, because that definitely required.
Yes.
The basics of .NET.
Yes. So let me answer that question straight away, because that will get lost in the air. So all the projects do require some part of technical knowledge, because even the current opportunities that you have, if you are going to say that, okay, I'm not any developer, I just have UiPath experience, that will not fetch you any job. So the projects will still have to be completed with some part of coding knowledge, and we will be doing this in collaborations. I will divide you in teams, and we will work as a team. So that's the reason we have GitHub integrated in this. These will be actual projects, like these are the projects that will be asked in the interviews, or these are projects that are asked already in the interviews, and I have taken the live projects from there.
Thank you very much. Yeah, I'm done. Yeah.
Yes. Hi Vajrabha, this is Hari from Bangalore.
Yes.
So the thing is, like, I have experience of on .NET professional. I'm currently working on .NET.
Okay.
So I'm planning to switch on UiPath as company is moving towards UiPath in our company.
Sure.
So is this session is going to help me in understanding what is UiPath and other things, or is there something which I have to cover up some which is already recorded?
No, this none of the session will be recorded. All the sessions will be live sessions, and you should definitely attend all my sessions. So yes, there are already thousands of videos in YouTube or in Academy, but this will be an interactive session only with you. If you have some queries, you will get them to be solved. And since you already having some .NET experience, I'm sure you're good with .NET. So how will you be able to create projects directly with UiPath with your existing .NET experience? That's the main goal of this training session. And if you're going for a UiPath interview, then how far, though you said you are good with .NET, and if you don't have UiPath experience in this current market, it will definitely take some time to get hold of this particular tool. So that will be covered in this training.
Okay, fine, thanks.
Hey Vajran.
Yep. Hi, Rakesh.
Hey, a quick question, man. I'm Rakesh from Hyderabad. So, as a course this, it's project based, and what is the expertise in UiPath are you expecting so that we can?
Okay, so as the course says that it is on projects, we are looking for anywhere between, if you have the basic coding knowledge, that should be enough. I am saying that you should definitely have some basic knowledge. We are not going to, or I'm not going to train anyone who is into complete BA, and I cannot actually promise you that I can transform you directly into UiPath jobs. That's not the main agenda of this interview or this training sessions. If you are actually a developer, or if you are a first level of developer, or if you are a fresher, and if you are getting some training in any kind of coding, and if you want to get into UiPath, this session is for you. But I'm definitely not promising any non-developer or developer who is not having any coding experience to land you up in any job, because the actual job market is not like that. Even if you go, you will not be able to crack the interviews. You will not be able to go at least through the first round. You should have the first basic logical building as at least, because
Yeah.
UiPath will definitely help you to go through, or within the first 1 or 2 weeks, you will get to know the seriousness of this particular project building. You will definitely excel if you complete all the 4 projects that I'm showing here, and if you complete all the training sessions.
Yeah. How about the UiPath experience, like the workflows and all? I've been getting myself trained on UiPath these days, and as this is project based, right? Will you be going through the activities, etc., parallelly, or are you expecting us to have information on the activities, like knowledge on all the activities that we have to use in the project?
Okay, I will take it as a point. So let's go with the other sessions as well. Could you please add that in the comment, please, so that we'll take that in the next session? Oh, sorry, not next session, in next few minutes.
Sure.
Okay, Deepak just asked me, please show me week 1 slide. So this is the week 1 slide. Just have a quick look at it. Okay, and yes, let's take the sessions or questions at after a few minutes. So let's just complete the next slides as well. If you have any questions, please do park them in the comment section. Thank you. So let's go with the week 3 project. So in week 2 project, we will be working on multiple application automation. So we will take the week 3 with one level higher. So we will be talking about JSON. We will be working on the APIs. We will be working on how to integrate with the APIs. So even if you are a non-developer, if you want to develop with APIs, yes, you can do that. You just need some basic knowledge on how to call the things, nothing else. Don't you need not worry about what exactly is API and all. Those will be covered. So anything that's related with the project, I will definitely cover those things within the week itself. Okay, so let's go with the 4th week of the training. So this will be the last week of the training session, since this is only 30-day training program, and there will be also a filtering that will be done. As I have said, I'm not going to promise any of the non-developer or a business analyst to land you up in the jobs. So that's not the main agenda again. So the fourth week we will be doing actual complete big project, I would say, that would require API integration, multiple website and web application integration. So the complete project and each and every project will be done only in RE framework. So that's the 4-week agenda that I would like to say. So what are we going to have, or what are the common activities while we are discussing with these projects? So we will be working on PDD creation, we will be working on actual coding creation, solution unit testing, solution integration testing, development in different machines or deployment in different machines. Okay, how the actual deployment will happen. That's what you need. When someone will ask you in an interview, how will you deploy the code? If you just say that if you click on publish, then the code will be deployed, then that's where you lost that particular job. That's not how the actual coding deployment will happen. So know about those developmental situations and solution design document. After completion of this solution design, how are you actually going to take that solution and give it to someone, and how someone can get to know. So this is the actual project experience that I'm going to talk about. Next, what are the general questions that I came up? So this is the most general question. So will I have this recording sessions? Okay, since we will be working on the projects, these sessions will not be recorded, but members who took membership, those members will try to record few sessions that are exclusively required. I'll be recording them and I'll be posting them only privately with them, so that no one will be able to access. So members who took the membership only will be able to take this training or see that sessions. Yes, it is a paid session. So we are talking about many projects. There is much time that I should involve and I should take to attend or to make this a training session for you. But the training course or the amount will be very much minimal. Let's go with the next one. So if you want, so with our training session, you will be able to complete RPA starter free certifications, RPA starter, RPA developer foundation, and RPA advanced developer foundation. You will be able to complete all these 3 certifications with our training within the 1 week, 1 month training session that we are going to have. So there are so now companies are also asking some paid course certifications, because those are the ones that have more authenticity right now. So this with this training you will also be able to complete the associate for sure, but the advanced you just need to have more expertise, or you need to complete, if you are able to complete all the 4 projects that I am going to say, and if you are able to complete all the 3 certifications, then you can definitely crack this advanced developer certification as well. So there is no in that. You can definitely go ahead and complete that. So you will also be given a certificate after completing from mine after completing this particular training course. And since you know that I'm active in UiPath community and I'm active in YouTube community, I will definitely refer your profiles whoever have completed this particular training sessions. So that will definitely make your life easier. Okay, so these are the free add-ons that I'm going to give who took membership. So resume preparation or correction, if you already have some resume, then we will definitely go ahead and correct them. We will add few projects. We will see how that can be a interviewable resume. I will definitely take one-on-one mock interviews with everyone who took this session, who took this training, and I will definitely refer you for this any job interviews that I will have or that come in place. So the next slide is about the cost of it, but before getting to the cost, I would like to just go ahead and type in so if you already have made up some exposure, or if you have already taken some interviews, So taking all this, how much would you like to have this course for? Just go ahead and type in the chat. I would like to know what are your ideas as well for this complete training for 4 projects training sessions. How much do you expect? Just go ahead and type in. Let's see that messages. How much are you expecting this to be? Go ahead and type in, please. Meanwhile, I will quickly take some answers, some questions. Okay, Hari Krishna, I'm experienced .NET profession looking for UiPath session. Will I have outline knowledge of? Yes, this will definitely help you to get complete knowledge of UiPath. Deepak, I have already shown you. Rakesh says that as this is going on project based, are you expecting us to knowledge? Okay, so as this is going to be a project based training, we need while we are working on the projects, we for complete 1 week we'll be working on one project. So we will have daily sessions for that. So during that sessions we will be completing on what are the things that we need to cover in that project. So you need not have exclusive knowledge on all the activities. We will be able to cover that during the training sessions. Rakesh, I hope I have answered this question. Rupesh, how much basic coding knowledge should work on? Like as I have said, you need to have a basic logical thinking or coding experience. I need I need a small confirmation that I have done my graduation in BSc, and after that I'm going doing my PG in MBA. So is it suitable to start my career in RPF fresher? If you definitely want to go as an RPF fresher, I recommend you to go as an RPF fresher. There is no doubt in it. You can definitely get a good job. I shared a JAM file board in the meeting. Okay, we'll get through that. Membership fees, whether the certifications applying cost or free. Okay, Vicky, there are 3 certifications that are free. You can go ahead and take them. Those are valid. Those are active UiPath certifications, and the other 2 ones are the paid certifications that you can directly take from UiPath. I would like to thank you for this initiative. Thank you so much. I wanted to know, like UiPath has many integrations, Python.NET, which of these technologies are needed. So I don't expect you to have any experience in SQL.NET or Python. Again, this is for members who already have a bit of coding experience, but not exclusively in everything. I'm not expecting you to have anything like that. When will these sessions be conducted? So this sessions will be, I'm trying to plan these sessions from next 1 week, exactly from 1 week now. So it will be starting from 24th of this month. So yes, I guess the 10,000 is from Shankar. Okay, I have knowledge. Will it work? Yes, if it is 10,000 Python knowledge, yes, this will definitely work. Maybe 10,000 every day. So it will be daily basis. We are not talking about weekly sessions. I will not say that, okay, there will be 1 week daily, weekly once I will come up and I will give you some task and you need to work on the complete week and you need to come back. No, that's not what's happening. We will be trained completely for the complete month. On a daily basis. Maybe we can have a discussion on saying which day we can be taken as off. Is it a Saturday or Sunday? That's on the part when people join in. So obviously it will be a 5-day training session. Okay, there are members who said that's 10,000. So I would like to so it will be daily for 1 hour. What will be the timing? So timing, I will definitely discuss that with you. So daily it will be for 1 hour. Weekend holiday, yes, weekend will be definitely off because I too need to have a holiday. Will it be in batches? No, this is one single batch. I am not trying to trouble myself adding multiple batches because I'm a working professional. This is purely based on a community basis. I'm definitely going on a community basis to help you out. Okay, I'm an actual industry expert person working right now. I'm trying to make you land in the job. That's it. It's not going to be a training sessions, batches. It's not going to be like that. Okay, we have good 40 members.
Okay,
Nothing.
nothing. Okay.
Vajrang, this fees is for all the project-based training, right?
Correct. This
For the
fees,
next 1 month.
yes, this fees will be only for the project-based training for the next 1 month.
Vajran, actually, like the Billy, that guy said, the logical part. Can you explain how can you check
Okay, how can you
logical
check
part or
if
logical
you are
thinking?
having knowledge or not?
Ask
Okay.
some questions.
Okay, so let's say that there are 10 items. In the 10 items, I want to sort or I want to add 5 items on the um, left file and 5 items on the right file, or five items in first file and the 5 items in the next file, using if it is greater than 5. So Amir, how will you do that?
Uh, can you please explain? Actually, your voice got broke. Can you please explain
Okay,
once more?
so there are five numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Okay.
and the other 5 numbers,
Okay.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I will give you this complete list, and I want you to add this list into files. Numbers which are having more than 5 will be in one file. All the items that are in less than 5 will be in another file, and if it is 5, then it should be a separate file. Now what will be the logic that you will use?
Okay. So first of all, actually, I will the thing I will create an array or like a uh, uh, I will store if numbers are in the range between 1 to 5, then I will store that in a separate array. Okay.
Yeah.
And if numbers are greater than 5 or less than 10, then I will store in a different array.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So
And
for that, what logic will you use?
I use first of logic. I use the if condition, like uh, if else condition and array condition.
Yes, that idea, if you have, that should be enough to take this training for you.
Okay. And please tell me if I am wrong, or like if how
No,
can
no.
you do it?
No, you are absolutely correct. There is nothing wrong in that. Whatever you have said is correct, and that's the basic coding knowledge that I'm expecting from you. That's it. Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Yes. Others, I hope, I think Amir have actually banged on at the nail. So other than this, I'm not expecting anything from the course point of view.
Sorry, Vajrang, maybe I'm asking many questions. Actually, no, the real time we know it works on the cloud. Okay, as Azure or Azure or Amazon cloud. Okay, this RPA UiPath. Okay, so do we have any access or to work on the cloud? How to install this in the cloud and how to access?
No, your assumption is completely wrong. We are working, or the current industry is not working completely on Azure. And even if you work on Azure, you will not be asked to maintain any Azure activities, or you will not be asked to do anything if you are a developer. Trust me. Okay, you will be given a VM to work on that will be installed with UiPath. Other than that, nothing. So these are the things that people actually don't know, because they haven't interacted with anyone who are into a actual experience. You will not be asked to create any Azure by when you are a developer, and infrastructure part is not or will not be dealt by you. Infrastructure you will not handle.
Yeah, thank you.
Vajrang, sorry for interruption. I have one more question.
Sure.
Vajrang, actually, most of the time, what I'm seeing, like the UiPath openings, most of the companies, the top-notch companies, or not top-notch, the mid-level companies, they're asking like .NET experience is mandatory and .NET experience is compulsory. So
Correct.
how can we mask that experience, or how can we show that experience? If actually, I'm from a testing background. Actually, I don't have any development experience.
Sure.
Speaking on.
Sure. So Amir, when you're saying you're from a testing background, are you from a unit manual testing background or an automation testing background?
Vajrang, actually, mostly I do manual testing. Actually, 80% of manual and 20% automation using Python and Selenium.
Yes. So when you're saying you are into manual tester, there are many things that you can automate. I think that you definitely know that you can definitely automate, or this is repetitive work, right?
Yeah. Obviously, actually, we are just it's an end-to-end process. Like I'm just doing an e-commerce site, so I can automate it using the UiPath tool. That's I know.
Exactly. So when companies are asking for .NET experience, you need to have, and if they mention that they need to have 1 or 2 years of experience, they are not expecting you to write any kind of they are not expecting you to build any libraries. They are expecting you to write some
Vasudev,
logical.
voice is breaking.
Okay. Just confirm whether everyone are
Okay.
facing the same issue.
No, we are clear. I'm for me clear, very clear.
Okay, I mean, just check from your end. So, companies, if they are expecting you to be a .NET from a .NET background, they are actually checking if you are able to write few queries in UiPath using .NET, because see, UiPath is definitely based on .NET or C# or VB. So they are expecting you to
Yeah.
write, for example, there is a table of 1,000 rows, and you cannot say them that, oh, I will use a for loop to check if there is any if condition to do that. You need to write some select queries, but we will definitely be covering those in the projects, because projects are exclusively, if you see, all the projects that I have taken a, are with respect to, or those are the actual projects that are actually asked in the interview to solve. Those are the projects that I am taking. I am not building up my own projects here. Will
Okay.
there be a poll for us to select the classes in the morning and evening? Definitely, I will definitely give that, and I'll be giving only two. So whatever the poll value is, I will take on that basis. So this
So
session.
Bajrang, you said that select. So we do have to know about the SQL part, I think.
Correct, but can't you get trained with one query within 1 month of time, and if it is completed in the first week of the training session?
No. Actually, I know. I know SQL till joins. I know all
Correct,
about SQL. No,
correct.
okay.
Okay, so don't worry or think too much that you need to have exclusive or exclusive knowledge on .NET. Trust me, I'm also a .NET developer, and I do accept that I don't have complete .NET experience.
Okay.
Okay, I'm not a complete .NET experienced person. I am actually a front-end developer, but I moved into UiPath, and I'm able to build myself um, easily with, or I'm able to train myself easily with UiPath.
Okay. Bajrang, just last question from my side. Like, what is the future of this tool? Because of this, because it's a tool, and actually, one of my cousins told me that it might get replaced by some different tool in near future, or like after 5 to 10 years.
Okay,
So because we are
correct.
investing lots of money and our effort, because we are doing our job also and learning also, so
Correct.
we are just sweating.
So may I know
Yeah.
how many years will did your friend said that it will not be available in the market?
No. He didn't mention any specific time, but he said that it's a tool,
Wha-
but he didn't completely say it. He said that it might get replaced.
Okay. This is generic question for everyone. So how many years do you think that UiPath will be replaced, if it will be replaced? I mean, you can answer that question. How many years do you
Uh,
think?
uh, Vajrang, actually, I don't have any idea, but actually, it's not my concern. It's everybody's concern. Look,
Exactly.
Vajrang,
So
actually,
this is the
uh,
concern for everyone. So I'm
yeah.
asking the same question for everyone. How many years do you think? So we have Yasha saying that minimum 5 years minimum. Uh, Shankar, you want to say something?
No. This tool will be there forever. The only thing is evolving, year by year, and the market trends based on the
Okay.
market trends. It gets changed to the IoT. It will be going to be an IoT probably. This tool, automation tools will be in.
Okay. So Ulhas says it will be 15 years maybe. So let me ask you this straight question now. Again, we are talking people who are actually looking for jobs. I'm not going to train you if you are. I'm repeating this one because I don't want to lay any false expectations. Okay. So even if you get into the job market, and if you are trained, and if you get into a UiPath job market, and you might be working for 1 or 2 years. Then again, you will be searching, or you will be going for the next round of expertise. Maybe you will be going as a team lead, either in a different tool. So you will be replaced, but the tool will not be replaced, if you ask me.
Okay.
Okay. Someone like you, after 1 or 2 years, you will still not be working as a developer. You will be moving as a team lead, or you will be moving as a architect, or you will be moving into a different tool. You will be replaced, but the tool will not be replaced. Tool will stay. Maybe someone will replace you as a developer.
Okay.
That's it. I hope I answered that question.
Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Hi, Vijay.
Yes, Dhruvesh, tell me, please.
Vijay, I have completed my training in UiPath and Automation Anywhere.
Okay.
And currently, I have 3 years of experience in .NET.
Okay.
And I just wanted to switch my career in RPA. So I'm looking a job for as an RPA developer. So how it will, this course will help me to get a job?
So Dhruvesh, how many projects have you built? Actual projects, since you are already a developer, how many projects were you able to build with UiPath?
I have developed 3 to 4 projects in while training.
Okay.
In UiPath and Automation Anywhere.
Are they actual collaborations? Like, are they actual projects that normally will go in the organizations, or those are just the projects that, okay, I have something I just want to automate and I want to place it? Those kind of projects are you talking about?
Yeah, I just completed doing this project as an practice.
Exactly. So this will definitely add that project experience for you. Like, if you want to have that actual project experience, that's what you will get. So now when there is an interview question that's asked, like, okay, this is one more interview question that normally will happen. What is the life cycle of a project, and have you developed any process definition documents, or what are the documents have you developed? So Dhruvesh, how many documents have you developed?
Still not yet.
Exactly. So those
Yes.
things, these are the actual projects that I'm talking about. So those things will be covered.
So you will cover the projects, live projects.
Exactly.
In this course. Okay. So can you tell me the how this course will help me to get the job?
So Dhruvesh, let me be straight. Where are you failing right now in fetching the job opportunity, since you are already 3 years experienced person?
Yeah, because I'm looking for RPA developer, and most of the companies require asking the experience in RPA as 2 years or 3 years minimum experience, and I don't have experience in RPA, so I won't be selected.
So that might not be the actual problem that you might be facing. You are not answering according to the way how a 1 or 2 years experienced person is answering an interview.
Okay.
Okay. But what if we are able to solve that?
Okay.
Okay. So you already have experience, Dhruvesh. That's the best thing that you can have. But you are not answering, or you are not answering to the exact questions, or you are not able to answer what the interviewer is expecting you to answer. You might be again going back to .NET, and you might be saying, okay, I will write some logical conditions. So that might be your answers.
Okay.
Am I right?
Yeah, I think
Yes.
it could.
So the perspective will be changed after this training session.
Okay.
Okay, is there a role like RPA support? If yes, what are the job responsibilities? See, any kind of project will definitely have a support role, and you need to monitor you need to monitor with the orchestrator, you need to monitor with the deployments, you need to check if the projects are working. So Rakesh, this answer is for you. So you will definitely, if you complete this particular training, you will definitely be more than eligible for an RPA support guy.
Vachanga, I do have a question. Like,
Sure,
taking up this session,
Sure.
Do we have to go through any prerequisite trainings of yours from YouTube, or
No,
we can directly?
No, I'm not expecting you to take anything from as a prerequisite. I'm expecting you to start on first day and complete the last day training as well. All the trainings you just need to complete. I'm not expecting you to have any prerequisite, but if you are able to complete them, then that will be an extra add-on for you. We'll be actively communicating with each other daily.
Okay, fine. Yeah. And I have another question.
Sure.
Since I've been experienced in .NET,
Sure.
the thing is, like, when I start facing interviews, they might ask for the UiPath experience as well, right?
Correct.
So, will my certification gives an advantage to the interviewer, or how is that? Should I go for all the certification what you have mentioned?
Yes, those are the certifications. If you are able to crack it, I think people will not ask you for actual UiPath. If you are able to solve the projects, then what else they need?
Okay, fine. Thanks.
Yes, others. Okay, I will take some chat questions, and we will also go through. Yes, there is obviously a question that the timing should be there. So for me, it would be good from 8 to 9 as well as I'm working. So I hope that many people who are looking for job is actually a working professional or working professionals. So we'll go through that again. So is it necessary to have UiPath certification to get a job? Yes, definitely. Please do make sure that you get a certification. If you are saying that you don't have any certification, people may not consider you because those are free certifications, those are basic certifications. Every .NET experienced developer will have them. Can we mention the projects done in here for your resume? Of course, you can mention. There is no wrong in that. And I'm a fresher and completed advanced certification from UiPath Academy. Can I join this course? Of course, you can join, and this will be very much correct, or I can say this is the apt course for you. Okay, meanwhile, I'll be creating a Google form so that we can get to know. But I will also start in a Jam whiteboard. So I will start a new Jam whiteboard so that that is already created by someone. So you need access. Sign in as Vajrang. So let's start. Okay, give me access, please. So there is a Jam board that's already created by someone. So let's see who is that person. Or else I can create my own Jam board. Let's make that. So this Jam board for us to discuss. Share with one person, edit. Send. Okay, this Jamboard is for everyone. So we will be doing a lot of interactive sessions. So what Jamboard or what do you like to add in with this Jamboard? Let's go ahead. So if you have any questions, if you have any queries, go ahead and do that. Let's see. So how did you feel that this session will help you, or what are your queries? Go ahead and add them. Meanwhile, I will create this Google form and I will share it with everyone. Or if there are any questions, please go ahead and ask.
Bajrang, Devashish here. So Bajrang, I have some experience in UiPath. Like
Okay.
I have completed basic RE, but I usually get stuck like usually there are a lot of changes which are coming in. Like new orchestrator is there, then human in the loop. So I usually get stuck in interviews and people ask me these advanced concepts. Will it be covered in the course like?
See, the problem if we cover too much with this is others also will need to have the knowledge on them. But what we can exactly do is in the projects we can add those extra add-ons so that those things will be covered in the one of the 4 projects. If many people are asking for this extra add-ons like, okay, I need to work on forms, I need to work on task capture or task activities, we can add it in one of the forms and we can work in them. And that will be definitely in the 3rd or 4th weeks, and that's purely based on the requirement.
Sure.
Because again, saying this is customizable course and I'm customizing it according to the members who are joining this. This is not again any kind of regular course that you are going to take.
Sure.
Hey Bajrang, Deepak this side.
Sure, Deepak, tell me.
So will you post your course structure somewhere in LinkedIn, or I need to share it with someone else?
Can you please repeat that again?
Will you post your course structure somewhere? That week 1, week 2 course structure completely.
Sure, I will do that. I think the presentation that I have shown you, that will be shared with everyone.
Yes, thanks.
Okay, any other questions? Please go ahead. This is
Hi,
the time.
Vijay.
This is the time.
Could you please tell me the course structure?
See, we are again going on a project-based structure. Each and every basic concept and advanced concepts will be covered. If you are able to complete the projects, then you will be able to secure the job. So, if when you are asking about course structure, you will be completing about activities, you will be completing about different packages, how to import a package, how to deploy a package, how to add extra packages, everything will be covered. So, think in a perspective of project basis. Don't think that, okay, if I am able to have this particular activity, okay, if I am able to complete the peak activity, then it's completed. It will not be like that.
Okay. One more question. Can we mention the projects done here in
Sure,
our
sure.
resume?
See, these are the projects that will definitely give you a bigger exposure. You can definitely are going through a rigorous training. You can definitely place them, and each and every one will be given an exclusive role. If you are a developer, you will be given all the roles of a developer, what a developer will do. So you definitely need to complete those.
Okay.
Vajrang, one last question from my
Sure,
side.
sure. Please go ahead.
What is a system requirement? Like, is there any specific system configuration which is required?
If you are able to run UiPath Studio in your machine, that should be enough.
Okay, like, is there any RAM specific specifications?
Normally, a UiPath Studio should be supported in a 5 GB RAM or 4 GB RAM or an 8 GB RAM with an i5 minimum of i5 processor. That should be enough.
Okay.
But if you download it directly, then it should be sufficient for you.
Okay.
So I think the sessions will know overall project lifecycle happens in UiPath tool. This will be complete project lifecycle. We will start from analysis phase. We will create documents. We will work on the coding part. We will create solution design document. As I have said, we will be working on GitHub integrations. So all the members who join this course will be added up into a GitHub repository, and we will be working on the projects in the GitHub repository. Okay, so that's how actual
Vajrang.
projects will happen. Yes, please tell me.
Yeah, this is Mani.
Yeah, Mani, please go ahead
Hello.
and tell me. Yes,
I
please.
have completed my BTech in 2016. Is
Okay.
it suitable for me?
What have you
I
done?
don't have any experience.
Okay, what have you done for the past 4 years, 4 years time? Because that's the question that you need to answer while you are in an interview.
How could I tell that I don't have any experience? That's why I'm asking you.
No,
Is it suitable me?
No. My question is, what have you done
I will.
in the 4 years time period or 5 years time period?
Actually, I'm doing a business.
Okay. So, may I know what kind of business is it?
It's a general store
Okay.
in my own village.
Okay. So why would you like to change now into a RPA developer? See, there should be specific reason, because these are the questions that you normally get in an interview. I'm not asking
Okay.
anything different. Okay. If you
Yeah,
are
yeah, I know.
if you are already having if you already completed in 2016 and for the past 4 years you don't have any experience, then all of a sudden
Yes.
how come you are interested in switching, and why would you like to switch?
Hello.
Yes, please answer the question.
Can you repeat me? Your voice is breaking for me.
Okay. Why would you like to change?
Actually, I'm trying to last 2 years, but I didn't get any job. Regarding they want some experience. Any other tools or any other languages, but I don't have any. I
Okay. So frankly saying, this course may not be suitable for you. Sorry for that. But
Okay.
if you would still would like to take a shot, that okay, I will get trained for this, and I will definitely try a different source to get for an interview. You can think of the different sources, but I'm not promising you anything of that sort here.
Okay. Thank you.
Sure.
So, Bajrang, hey Bajrang, Deepak
Yes.
this side.
Yes, please.
So, Bajrang, as I was seeing the UiPath Academy, so in till the solution architect, so they mention the hours. Let's suppose they are mentioning the hours that you have to complete all the courses is 100 hours. So, will it be possible for us to complete all that 100 hours training as well as this project?
Okay, so as I have mentioned, those 100 hours, okay, let me just add you in this. Let me just see if someone want to join. Okay, so see here, I have clearly mentioned what would you like to secure, or what will you be able to secure. So do you think that these 40 hours are the actual hours that you need to spend? No, actually. So these 40 hours are the videos that you need to cover. Okay, so that 40 hours is the videos that you need to cover, but while working on the projects, you will be able to directly work on the activities. So you can see how I completed the foundation training. That is 43 hours, but I'm able to complete that within 8 hours to 1 day, nothing more than that, because I already know all the concepts. All I need is I need to complete I need to solve the choose the correct answers at the end of the training session, even if you skip with the video. Okay.
Oh, yes, okay, I got it. Thanks.
Yeah, welcome. So I have updated I have updated the Google form. Just please go ahead and fill it. And again, I'm actually looking for people who are willing to go into the job and who are very much interested in this, because as you know, I am actually spending the extra time only for the community to get you to the next job. So please understand that as well. Okay, because there are working professionals, it may happen due to some meetings. Yes, I have given you two timings. That's 8 to 9 in the morning and 8 to 9 in the evening. Those are the two timings I will be available, or I can only be available. Any questions? Because we'll end up our meeting in next 3 minutes. And thank you so much. You have been a great audience, and you stayed from the beginning to the end. Thank you so much. I hope all of you are interested, and don't neglect with this particular training session, because any kind of such training session will obviously land you up in 30,000 fees. This is the least anything or anyone can give you. if you go to actual developmental such kind of trainings, they will definitely ask you 30 to 40,000 if you have made some market research.
Vajrang, when is planning to start this course right away?
This course will be started exactly on from next 1 week from 24th of this month.
Okay, so to pay this one fee and so doing are you going to share with us to pay the fee in advance before the
This all the amount or this will be one-time payment. You need to pay it
yes
before
yes
the training session starts.
yeah the mode of payment you will be are you providing to us any any link in the Gmail, like no, are you going to provide us to pay to GPay or something phone
Yes,
any mode
people
of
who have filled the form, I will be sharing only to them, because I'm not interested again to share it with everyone and to make a huge chunk of members. So that's not
yes
what I'm
okay yeah
sharing.
fine yeah because I'm I'm ready to join, so that is the reason I'm very happy to join.
Exactly. So this will be only for the
Yeah.
people who are actually interested and who are willing to take this training session. This will not be for everyone. Okay, just fill in the form and I will share you the Google Pay link or any link.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Sure, Shankar. Yes,
If there
Rakesh.
is any way to record this session, it will be great for us.
So Sujata, as I have mentioned, we are working on the actual projects. This is not any kind of training sessions. See, what will you do by seeing the recording sessions? Of course, the project recordings will be available. That will be shared only with you. But these project recordings will be completely different from the ones that you are seeing normally in YouTube or in Udemy courses or in UiPath Studio or UiPath Academy itself. Those are to handheld you to pull and keep this activity here, and this is what will this activity will do. No, this will be, though this will be recorded, this will be project recorded. Okay, so normally think in a projects we will definitely record some meetings, right? So those meetings will be shared only for those community members. I will definitely do that, but trust me, you definitely need to attend the these are the projects that you definitely need to do to get through this. Did I answer your question, Sujata?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Hi, Vajrang.
Yes, Rakesh.
What's the course duration and how many projects you will cover in this course? And could you give me a rough idea about projects that you are covering in this course?
So again, I have said it in the, I think you might have missed in the first few minutes. So there will be 4 weeks and 4 sessions, and the first week will be based on basic QA automation. Second week, and all the projects will be in RE framework, and the second one will be advanced UI automations, like multiple selectors will be taken, finding children, finding all the subcategories, sub activities, everything with that. And the third week will be based on the APIs and JSON structures, and the fourth week will be with multiple applications. And see, someone have already mentioned that they want to do something with forms. Yes, we will also be able to do that, and we will add this, we can add this in the projects.
Okay. So it's a daily based session.
Yes, it will be daily 1 hour based session. No, it will not be weekly ones or weekend ones.
Okay.
See,
So in this course, you will cover only one project, right?
4 projects.
4 projects. Okay.
Each week will be a project.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks.
You're welcome, Dhruvesh. So Sujata, I think I have already answered this question. Can we refer friends? Of course, you can refer anyone for this training. If you want, you can, I will post this deck in LinkedIn, and I will also, this meeting is currently being recorded. So I will share it specifically with the members who fill this form. So you can share the link with your friends. Maya Jain.
Vajang, I have filled the form. Just can you have a look on the comments in the form? I just want to.
Sure, definitely. So there are 10 members who are actually looking for this training. I'm very happy. So people who are again interested, this will be the last chance. So please go ahead and fill in this form, and I will definitely talk to you one-on-one to get the queries resolved as well.
So, hey Badran, the last question from my side is that, so let's suppose in that both the time I have some client call at 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. also, and in that morning time also. So will I get some recording session if I join? So let's suppose someday I will join, but someday it will be not possible for me to join.
See, as I have mentioned already, the project, the discussions that we are going to make will be the discussions. Okay. So these will be recorded and that will be shared only with you in private. And you cannot get more than 1 or 2 recordings. I'm sorry for that, because yes, you cannot get more than a couple of projects. Like I cannot give you everyday training session as a recording, because that will definitely not help you.
Okay, Vajan. Thank you so much.
Yes. So I'm not revealing any information that's submitted by you, because that will have personal information with emails and mobile numbers. I'm not going to share it right now in the screen. But yes, the comments that I am having here are please provide me recordings. Okay, I think I have answered that. Looking forward to become perfect UiPath developer. I am making sure, I will make sure that if you attend all the trainings and if you complete the trainings, you will definitely be as good as any developer, any advanced level developer. So looking forward to learn end-to-end walkthrough real-time experience. I'm definitely interested in advanced certification. So go ahead and take up, then you will definitely have that advanced certification. Thanks a lot for your initiative. You will see how it goes. Looking forward for the break. Sure. And looking to interact with you over phone, so I will definitely call everyone who submitted this form. Hi Vajrang, I'm interested for the course. It's a great opportunity to get a hands-on experience. Yes, of course, within this less amount, you will never get anything of this sort. I'm going to say that for you, sure. How I would like to join this training. Sure, please go ahead and join Dhruvesh, and we will be doing end-to-end all fraud. Yes, everyone need to create all the 4 projects. You need to create all the documents. That's the thing that will happen. Okay. So coming back.
One more question.
Sure.
After the completing this course,
yes.
Can you provide any openings or job?
See, I am not a job giver here. I am also a regular employee like you, who is working in an organization. This is completely based on community basis. Okay. So sorry, Harsha, my name is Vajrang, not Bajrang. What will be the fees? So I have already mentioned that. So I will definitely refer you if because there are contacts of mine whom I can refer you, and I will also be taking mock interviews for you. Everyone who excel in the mock interviews, I'm going to definitely refer them.
Okay.
Okay. See, within 1 month training and 7,000, landing you directly in a job through a back door is asking too much, if you ask me. And I'm a genuine person who is not going to do that.
Okay.
Okay. And if you want such kind of training, this is not the correct training again for you. I'm stating it right away. Sorry to disappoint you for this answer, but let's be straightforward instead of giving you wrong assumptions. Let's take in other questions as well. Okay, would it be great if you provide at least access to recording session? Yes, Shankar, I have already discussed that. So others who don't have any questions can just can leave the meeting. Thank you so much for your time. I hope you enjoyed this session, having all the queries cleared.
Thanks, Bajrang.
Okay, this is an initiative that's completely based on the current job requirement, which I felt bad that people are not getting the interviews, though they have experience, though they are good with the UiPath tool, they are not getting the jobs. That's what made me to do this particular training session, nothing more than that.
Thanks.
Okay, if no other questions, I would ask you to go ahead and give you your last, please unmute yourself and give you your last comments over the audio, so that that will be helpful for me too, and it will boost me up for the training sessions that can take in. Let's see.
Yeah, Bajrang, this is Hari. I'm seriously looking forward for your sessions.
Yes, sure.
Hope you'll connect with me on the comments what I mentioned.
Sure, I will. I'm taking each and every comment seriously. So I'm expecting all of you who are actually interested to be serious in this particular training session. There is a lot of training that's going to happen, and I will definitely make sure you will feel definitely in a project. Okay.
Yep, thanks.
Thank you so much. Others?
Hi, Bajrang sir.
Yes, hi.
I'm really looking forward to take up this session.
Sure.
So, yeah.
Definitely. We're looking forward to add you up or have you in the training session.
Yeah, thank you.
Welcome.
Vajrang,
Yes.
when is your payment confirmed? Like,
yes, you can. I will. Whoever have filled this, I'm going to share my Google Pay ID only with them. So only they can pay. Not this is not for everyone again.
Jiren, thank you very much. I think I appreciate your, the fee that is a very minimal. I think, you're helping us in, like the project-based training. This what I think, I don't see in the current market. This is what required for everyone. Even though I'm working on it,
Yes.
and I think I'm really looking forward to attend your sessions and now learn. I'm very seriously actually.
Sure.
Yeah, looking for. Yeah.
Definitely. Thank you so much.
I echo the same what Shankar said, Vajrang. Let's catch up sometime. Thanks a
Sure.
lot.
Definitely. Thank you so much for everyone. Yes,
Sir,
I'll be
just
the
one
last
question.
person to leave this meeting. So people who don't have any questions, if they want to listen others' questions, they can wait. But yes, let's take the questions. I recently switched my career into RPA UiPath, but I don't have any C# and VB.NET experience. This will definitely help you, Ganesh. Though you switched, I think you will be facing a lot of issues in the projects that will be covered over here. Ganesh.
Yeah, thank you, Vajrang. Actually, that was my doubt about that.
Sure.
So, really, I'm facing that some problems. So, it would be helpful. I will be joined.
Definitely, sure.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Vajrang.
So, others,
One question,
please
have you
give your
decided
comments
me?
or feedback for this session. Or is it the same session that you already have listened with everyone? Or is it different completely from the sessions that you have attended? Please give me your feedback. Now, have you decided on the training timings? Most of the timings are from, frankly speaking, it's from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. That's what being selected. So let's see.
Very great to hear that timings. Yeah.
Sure. Others? Okay, I hope everyone are leaving the meeting. Thank you so much, everyone. I felt the session, I'll be in the project orientation, so it's going to be helpful to us. Thank you, Nandini, for your feedback. Yes, you will definitely be in the project. Thank you. I was searching for someone who will provide project-based training. Thank you so much. Took initiative. Thank you so much, Ulas. Rupesh left, everyone are leaving. So thank you so much everyone for staying it till this long. We extended actually for 30 minutes, but you are a great audience. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Do fill the form or do share the form with everyone.